It's been more than 61 weeks correcting plants for this cozy kitchen, and I'm here sharing what I learned while I'm taking you through my process. Mambo, my name is Baba T, and this channel may help you to see different approaches towards everyday life challenges. And this is our inside bush. So I decided to keep the bush inside as the succession of our food forest on outside. And before I'm taking you to this part, there is one thing, because I've never seen a tree growing on top of another tree by itself. So I'm taking you outside. It took me more than 18 months until my recent trip to Mzee Zaidi and his farm, where he dropped so many knowledge, including this plant which can kill your fruit trees if not removed. I came back home and I removed mine. So what you see behind me, most of these features are DIY items and reclaimed materials. You know, DIY products are real cheap. I mean real cheap. And if you're considering DIY product, there are two major factors you need to consider. Time. Time is your friend here, and consistency is your habit up to the end of your project. Money is the big deal here. I mean, getting smaller amount of money in a period of time, it is possible, especially when you live in town. Having that access of small amount, it's all you need to start any project you want. Apart from money-wise, another cool thing I like about DIY product is that even touching a DIY item can evoke emotional response due to the effort and creativity invested in its creation. DIY products reflect individual craftsmanship, which can include imperfections or intentional distressed looks, giving each item a unique character that industrial product cannot replicate. The kitchen journey is too long and is still on progress, and we never stop planting. Let me tell you something, it's huge difference. If you're viewing my video and you are not subscribed yet, kindly try to subscribe and keep following this page to see what is coming next. So I'm going to take you outside to show you the connection between the outside and inside. And the connection goes deeper. I mean, taking food from outside to our kitchen, prepare that food, and bring back outside. So this back and forth is creating a healthy ecosystem to our environment. And this is one of the reasons whites feel cozy when you are in this kitchen. Hydration first is the must. We keep planting more cocoyam, aloe vera, tus, holy basil, and more climbers like passion fruit vine.